Yes, yeah, okay. Yes, Udita. Udita wants to talk something. Yes, Udita, go on.
Hello, sir. Am I
Yes,
audible?
Udita. Yes, you are. Please go on.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
So just now, Preeti said that we can understand by observing people's. For me,
Yeah.
it's like we can observe their words. Wordings are very important.
Okay, but then won't that be listening? What you are
Yes,
saying is
yes,
right.
yes, sir. It's a
Ob-
part of
ob-
listening.
ha. So we are going a little beyond that. You are right. What you are saying is not wrong. आप जो बोल रहे
Yes,
हैं वो सही है.
sir.
But we are going beyond listening. We are going in that particular zone which is called as observation. Okay, we will see. हम लोग देखते हैं कि ये इसके लिए क्या wonderful formula है, beautiful formula है. Yes. Okay. So the formula is very interesting. What is the formula one of increasing, boosting the EI, emotional intelligence? First is P, which is called as perception. What is the first formula? Perception. Yeah. Now, what is perception? Perception is perceiving what is happening. Perception क्या है? It is perceiving what is happening. Now I want to ask you a very simple question. Yes. Whom should I ask? Let me ask, say, Sucheta. Sucheta, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sucheta, now are you looking at your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Who is looking? Your eyes are looking or mind is looking?
So my eyes are looking.
Your eyes are looking. Okay. You are listening to me, hopefully.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Who is listening to me? Your mind or your ears?
So basically, in the external portion is the ear that is listening, but actually my mind is grasping it.
No, my question is simple. Who is listening? Your mind or ears?
So it's the ears.
ओके. अच्छा, सभी लोग आप थोड़ा सोचिए. अभी तो चलो पैंडेमिक है तो आप ऑनलाइन सेशन पे बैठते हो, लेकिन आप क्लासरूम में जब जाते हो, टीचर कुछ तो बोल रहा है, आप टीचर को सुन तो रहे हो लेकिन सुनाई कुछ नहीं देता है बिकॉज आपका मन कैंटीन में है. हैज इट हैपेंड? या योर कीज आर राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. ये आपको कहीं जाना है, बाहर बहुत लेट हो रहे हो, वो चाबी सामने ही पड़ी है लेकिन आप फिर भी उस चाबी को ढूंढ रहे हो. हुआ है ना ऐसे कई बार? यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज योर माइंड इज समवेयर एल्स. समझ में आ रही है मेरी बात? आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई मीन टू से? तो अंडरस्टैंड, योर माइंड लिसन्स थ्रू योर ईयर्स, योर माइंड it sees through the eyes, your mind tastes through the tongue, your mind can feel through the skin. Are you getting what I mean to say? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is a very very important factor. Perception. Your mind perceives through the five senses. Yeah. जो मेरे दोस्त ने बोला, the my friend who told, Udita told, the words that are there, observing the words. So basically that is listening, but whether the mind is perceiving it. या मैं जो बोल रहा हूं थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल है, बट इसको आप थोड़ा सा समझिए. हम बहुत बार क्या करते हैं पता है? वी प्रिटेंड दैट वी आर लिसनिंग बट वी डोंट लिसन. सामने वाला जो बोल रहा है, हमारे कान तो इसके ऊपर है लेकिन हम सुनते ही नहीं है. सामने वाला जो हमें दिखाई दे रहा है, मतलब ही इज शोइंग अस समथिंग, हमारे आंखें तो उसके ऊपर है लेकिन हम देखते नहीं बिकॉज मन कहीं और होता है. कभी कभी सामने वाले को सॉल्यूशन नहीं चाहिए, वो आपको प्रॉब्लम बोल रहा है मन खाली करने के लिए, लेकिन हम जाके उसको सॉल्यूशन दे बैठते हैं. आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई मीन टू से? यस. सो द फर्स्ट रूल ऑफ दिस, द फर्स्ट पी, EI का क्या है फॉर्मूला? POE. सो व्हाट इज द P? P इज बेसिकली द परसेप्शन. आर यू गेटिंग दिस? Now when you perceive what the person is saying or doing, और आप क्या करते हो, उस perception मन में जो होता है वो अपने बुद्धि तक लेके जाते हो. You take that perception to the mind and then you start observing the person. बिना परसेप्शन का ऑब्जर्वेशन मतलब क्या, मैं खाली देख रहा हूं. यस, आप कहीं बीच पे जाते हो, यस, आप मस्त सनराइज या सनसेट देखते हो, तो आप क्या करते हो, खाली देखते हो, आप परसीव नहीं कर रहे हो उस चीज को. यू आर नॉट इंटेलेक्चुअली थिंकिंग यार ये सन कितना दूर होगा, अभी ये जो सनरेज आ रही है उसका टेम्परेचर क्या होगा, कौन से डिग्रीज में सनरेज आ रही है. नहीं, you are simply looking. Here we are going beyond the looking. Here we are saying कि first we perceive it in the mind, then we observe what is happening. Two types of observation, external as well as internal. सामने वाले को भी ऑब्जर्व करते हो, अपने मन को भी ऑब्जर्व करते हो, लेकिन ये परसेप्शन के बाद. You see the difference between looking and observation? And then what we do is we express. Yes, first we perceive, then we observe, then we express. और अगर आपको इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस में स्ट्रांग होना है तो पहले परसीव करो, फिर ऑब्जर्व करो और फिर एक्सप्रेस करो. एक्सप्रेशन इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट, देयर इज नो टू वेज अबाउट इट. बट हम एक्सप्रेशन के पीछे एकदम जल्दी से दौड़ गए, देन इट विल बिकम वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग. Are you getting what I mean to say? That's a very effective formula for EI: perception, observation, and expression. Are you getting what I mean to say? Yeah. तो आप जब इंटरव्यू देने जाओगे तो एक्सप्रेशन के पीछे मत लगो. अरे मुझे ये भी बोलना है, वो भी बोलना है, मुझे ये भी आता है, वो भी बोलता है. इंटरव्यूअर को आप में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. इंटरव्यूअर को आपके एक्सप्रेशन में इंटरेस्ट है. He is not interested in your certificates. मेरे कितने सारे मेरे दोस्त है जिनको 9.7 पॉइंटर्स वाले हैं, फिर भी उनको नौकरी नहीं मिलती है. क्योंकि उनका POE is not that strong. Are you getting this all? समझ में आ रही है मेरी बात? Yes, this is a very important formula. What is the formula? Perception, observation, expression. PO and E. Are you getting this all? Yes, no? Yeah? Yeah. Do you have any questions on the POE part? कोई सवाल है POE पर? Did you understand this pretty well? Yeah? It's a very beautiful concept, huh? Perception, observation, and expression. Very good. Great. Okay. So now the big question is, yes, Gauranga, you want to ask any question?
सर एक्चुअली आपने जो बोला है ना PEO जो रूल्स है,
POE.
POE
हाँ.
जो रूल्स है सर, एक्चुअली ऑब्जर्वेशन के पहले तो कम्युनिकेशन आता है, क्योंकि हम लोग तो बाबा जी नहीं है जो ऑब्जर्वेशन में ही पता लग जाएगा उसका EI क्या क्या है.
हाँ.
तो मेरे को लगता है जो EI मालूम करने के लिए कम्युनिकेशन और कन्वर्सेशन ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है सर.
100%. There is no two ways about it. Communication से भी ज्यादा important है listening. Yes, अगर आपको POE में strong होना है तो communication से भी ज्यादा important is listening. All perfect है. There is no two ways about it. That's when you observe, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's
Yes, sir.
the perception cannot happen till the time you are in a situation. मैं यहाँ पे बैठा हूँ, I cannot perceive what is happening in London. For me
Yes.
to go to London, I physically need to go there. I need to listen to people. I need to understand what is going on. Yes. So the POE will happen only in the space of society. Then society could be your family. The society could be your college people. The society could be your company. Society could be your interviewer. Society could be anything at that point of time. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes.
good. Very good. Once you're done, you can lower your hand so that it becomes easy for me. Very good. So my $1 million question to you is, how will you master it? POE के ऊपर आप मास्टरी कैसे लाओगे? आप इसको आगे कैसे लेके जाओगे? हाँ, बोलिए. Anybody can answer. How do you think? If I want to perceive well, if I want to observe well, if I want to express well. Acha, let us simplify. What is one thing based on which your POE is dependent on? Perception, observation, expression. किसके ऊपर dependent है? चलो बोलिए. Yeah, tell me. What is POE? What is that one thing on which that POE, perception? Yes, Ankur. हाँ, बोलो.
According what we see.
According to what we see. Who sees inside you? मैंने actually इसका आंसर दे दिया है. Who sees inside you?
So our minds.
Perfect, our own mind. One thing that is very important in all these three things is actually your own mind. Please understand this very carefully. क्या इंडिया में पता है प्रॉब्लम क्या है? हम लगे रहते हैं, ज्योमेट्री सीखो, अलजेब्रा सीखो, हिस्ट्री सीखो, ज्योग्राफी सीखो. यस, एमबीए में लगे रहते हैं, बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट सीखो, कम्युनिकेशन सीखो, ये सीखो, वो सीखो, पर अरे सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट जो माइंड मैनेजमेंट है उसका क्या? यस, हमारे स्कूल में कभी किसी ने सिखाया कि माइंड को मैनेज कैसे करें? या you know, everybody, all our parents and all our teachers and everybody said, don't get angry, don't get angry, don't get angry. पर कैसे नहीं गुस्सा हो जाओ? Yes, कोई तो आके मुझे कुछ तो बोल के जाता है, he does something stupid, how will I not get angry? Mind management, extremely crucial. Are you getting what I mean to say? Yeah, you have to learn the techniques by which your mind management can become very, very strong. I was fortunate to learn when I was 18. One technique is meditation. Yeah, there is no doubt about it. The ones who do not meditate, according to me, are fools. You know, जिनको लाइफ में आगे बढ़ना है, आपको मेडिटेशन मतलब करना ही होगा. It is the most important thing. It really helps. And I'm not talking about, you know, कोई तो किसी ने तो बोला ना कि हम बाबा तो नहीं है. बाबा होने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. जो मदर होती है, माँ जो होती है ना, वो बिना बच्चा बोले समझ जाती है बच्चे के अंदर क्या प्रॉब्लम है. तो माँ इज नॉट अ बाबा, बट व्हाट हैज शी मास्टर्ड ऑन द माइंड मैनेजमेंट. Are you getting this? One effective technique for that is doing the meditation. The technique which I use is the Sudarshan Kriya. Yes, which has been taught by the Art of Living. I personally now teach the Sudarshan Kriya. If anybody of you is interested, just DM me on Instagram. I'll invite you for my program. Yeah, पर ये जो सुदर्शन क्रिया, जो मेडिटेशन जो होता है ना, it is supremely important as far as mind management is concerned. Yes, 80% mind management will happen if you meditate regularly. 20 minutes a day. ज्यादा करने की जरूरत नहीं है, 20 मिनट बहुत हो गया. Second thing that will help you in mind management is basically going beyond your comfort zones. Usually हम लाइफ में क्या करते हैं? जो हम कंफर्टेबल है. You know, I'm comfortable watching Instagram reels. मेरे को ज्यादा कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता है. Scroll करो, scroll करो, scroll करो. Yes, I'm comfortable. Yeah, but the courage zone is to make the Instagram reels which are useful for people in and around me. Courage zone. Yes, I'm comfortable just lying on my bed and sleeping the whole day. That's comfort zone. The courage zone is I will go to Coursera, I will go to Udemy and take some free courses. I will learn something out of it. Yes, this quest of entering the courage zone, breaking the comfort zone and going to the courage zone will make you manage your mind. So 80% meditation, 10% quest of getting into the courage zone. And then the last 10%, if you really want to be a good mind manager, then what you need to do is you need to celebrate life. आप बोलते रहोगे कि अरे ये क्या बोल रहा है, what is he talking about? Yeah, no, it is very essential. Yeah, we have something in our mind, in our body, a hormone in our body, which is called as oxytocin and dopamine. Yes, ये दो बहुत essential hormones है. और ये हॉर्मोन्स क्या करते हैं? अपने नर्वस सिस्टम को, अपने माइंड को प्रेरित करते हैं, उत्साहित करते हैं. They I won't say instigate. They make they give some fuel to the mind and nervous system. तो अगर आप लाइफ में मजा नहीं करोगे, if you don't dance, you don't enjoy with your friends, you don't take a break and all, then you are not going to manage your mind well, and that stress in turn is going to get on your work, on your studies, or on whatever curriculum you do. Are you getting this all, everyone? Yes or no? Yeah. So what are the three most effective rules or three effective things for mind management? First is the Sudarshan Kriya technique, the meditation. I personally very highly and strongly recommend it. I've been doing it since now 14 years, and all the success which I've got in less time is because of it. Second thing was the second thing for the mind management, getting into the courage zone. Yes, yeah, having that quest to enter the courage zone. And what is the third thing? Third thing is to celebrate, to enjoy, to have fun in life. But that celebration doesn't mean alcohol and cigarettes and all. That is stupidity. That's not celebration. Kya hota hai, people have substance and next day, the whole day they are eating pills just so that they can get out of hangover. I mean, alcohol industry is the most intelligent industry and the consumers are the most foolish. Yes, मेरे हिसाब से they are very intelligent industry. क्या marketing करते हैं, लेकिन जो consumer एकदम बेवकूफ, सबसे मूर्ख consumers on the earth are smokers and drinkers. I mean, it's so stupid. Why? Anyways, let's not get onto that road. Yeah. So celebration, I mean a good celebration, wherein you have a lot of fun, you enjoy, you go out, you go trekking, you go out with your friends, you preach your hobby, you do something good for yourself. Are you getting this all, everyone? Yes. So that's what it is for the mind management. So before we move, what I would want from you is, why foolish? Because I mean, why would somebody want to drink? Yeah, it's like that. It's like they know that it's harmful for their body, and they know that you don't get any positive joy out of it. And third thing is, all that you get is a company of some people who stink at the end of it. Yeah. So according to me, that's completely something which I don't think so, that those kind of consumers are fully. See, very fact that this question has been asked without a name. You realize this? Yeah, this question has been asked without a name. This is a hallmark that somewhere in that person's conscience, it is like, okay, ये बोल रहा है वो कहीं ना कहीं तो सही है. I know I do trigger many a time such things, but chalo, doesn't matter. Okay, so getting back, let's revise the whole thing. First, we spoke about emotions, feelings that are caused because of person and situations. Then we talk about intellect, ability to discriminate. EI, understanding the emotions and giving reaction in an intelligent manner. Yeah. Then what did we speak about? We spoke about the POE. Yes, the formula for good EI is perception, observation, and expression. POE. How we can get that very strong? By way of your mind. Yes, and then we saw that mind management ke liye, there are certain things, three things required. One, meditation. Second is what? Getting into the courage zone. And third is celebrating life, having fun, having a big smile, having that real good enjoyment. Are you getting this all? Yeah. So there is one concluding story, one very beautiful story for you. Yeah, a very, very interesting story, a concluding story, so as to say. So the story is that once upon a time there was a small child. Yeah, maybe in his junior KG. We all have this thing, right? That I will ask some question to my teacher, by which she will give some wrong answer. Yes, and the moment she gives a wrong answer, I can tell teacher, you are wrong. Yeah. So what happens is, this small boy goes to the teacher. He has a small butterfly in his hand. He goes to his teacher and says, teacher, you have to answer whether this butterfly in my hand is living or dead. Yeah. So then he say that, the teacher, he thinks that if the teacher says the butterfly is living, I'll quickly kill it, open my palms and say, teacher, this butterfly is dead. You are wrong. Yeah. And if teacher says this butterfly is dead, I'll open my palms, the butterfly will fly. Ma'am, you are wrong. Yes. So he takes the butterfly in his hand and goes to his teacher. And then the teacher says that he asks the teacher, teacher, there's a butterfly in my hand. You have to tell me if this butterfly is living or dead. Yeah. You know what does this teacher say? You know, teacher kya bolta hai? Teacher says, boy, it's all in your hands. Yeah. With this, I would like to conclude that your life is entirely in your hands. Your EI, emotional intelligence, is entirely in your hand. This is the age for you to develop EI. With all due respect to your academic, college, and everything, what you are going to learn from your college is only 25%. What you are going to learn from your EI is actually going to be 75%. Develop it. Invest your time, money, effort in developing your EI. Are you getting this? Yeah. And that's exactly what Preeti's question is, right? Like most of the people, we don't open up. Then how to understand those? Like, how will I react to that person so that I want to help that person? See, listen, that's what I'm trying to tell you. This cannot happen in one go. ऐसे अचानक से नहीं होगा. इसके ऊपर आपको काम करना पड़ेगा. उसके ऊपर आपको डेवलप करना पड़ेगा. Just think the time of the day which you put in for yourself versus the time in a day you put for social media. थोड़ा सोचिए इसके ऊपर. Yeah, see, understand, the American industry is very intelligent. They know how to capture the eyeballs. It is called as capturing the eyeball theory. कभी पढ़ना आपको जब भी टाइम मिले तब. उनको पता है how to capture the eyeballs. And especially when it comes to Indian youth, they are scared of us because we have a lot of intelligence and we know how to put in a lot of efforts. हम लोग बहुत काम कर सकते हैं because अपने में है वो. So they are very, very afraid of it. So all this Netflix and all the Twitter, this Instagram and Facebook, I'm not saying it's bad. It is very good. But are you putting this to your own use? Are you using EI on all these things? Then and then only, first you develop on yourself, and then you will be able to understand the emotions of others. Then you will become, that's what the whole skill is. Why a CEO cannot become CEO as soon as he enters the company? Because he enters as an employee, then becomes a TL, team leader, then becomes a manager. Then in all his promotions, he is developing the skill to understand the EI of people even more and more. Are you getting this all? Yeah. So with this, I would like to conclude. To conclude, 3 things for mind management. One is meditation, that is a Sudarshan Kriya. Second is getting into the courage zone. And last but not the least, celebrating, enjoying life. Yeah.